Hi, I'm Shelly. This is Just Time Tour. Welcome back to our channel. Last time we just talked about the Chinese Valentine's Day and the legend of the day. This time I'm going to tell you about the upcoming event, the Moon Festival. Yeah, but let's just skip the part of Moon Festival. The story is in our blog and you can find a link down below this video. This time we're going to talk about what we eat on the Moon Festival. Pomeloes. Maybe some people don't know what are pomeloes. They are a kind of fruit native to Asia. Pomeloes are the least acidic and sour fruit among the citrus. They taste sweet, kind of tart but not bitter, and have a distinctive floral aroma. If you really want to try it, you can find it at some Asian supermarkets in some certain months depending on where you live. But even if you find the pomeloes in the supermarket, it takes some skills to peel off the thick skin. So now, let me show you how. First, use the knife to cut the pomelo. Do not cut deep into the pulp. You just need to cut into the peel and make a scratch. Then squeeze your finger between the peel and the pulp to completely remove the peel. If it's not easy for you to do the peeling with your finger, you can use a spoon to help you. Use the same way to remove the peel of the other part. Then done. So now you get the naked fruit, just split it half. Then you can start to remove the membrane carefully so you can keep the pulp in a complete shape. If you think removing the pulp from the membrane is too troublesome, I have another way for you. First, chop out the head and the bottom. Then cut the pomelo into half. Cut it from the edges and spread it out like this. All you need to do is to take out the pulp from the membrane. In this way, you can remove the membrane more easily. So now you know how to peel off the fruit. I personally prefer the first way because you can keep the pulp in a complete shape. Oh, and if you're taking medicines, do not eat pomelos because together they will have some dangerous side effects. And also remember to wash your hand after peeling because the juice in the peel can cause some dermatitis when it has chemical reactions to the light. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and see you next time.